Hello friends, welcome to Mantra's vlog. Today we are going Paris to Switzerland, Geneva. The tunnel that I showed you before, that was 12 kilometers long. The distance between Paris to Geneva is 540 kilometers. It takes 6 hours by car. We reached Geneva at evening, so we decided to go to Lake Creek. Near the lake there were many swans. They were floating in the water and they were very cute. So we took a video. This is the view of Geneva. At second day, we are exploring Geneva city. Our villa of Geneva was little far from Geneva main center. Now we reached to United Nations headquarters. I was looking at the fountain. This is a monument called Broken Chair. The chair has 4 legs but one leg is broken. The height of Broken Chair is 12 meters, 39 feet. The United Nations office at Geneva is located in the Palais des Nations in Geneva, Switzerland. The Palais des Nations was built between 1929 to 1938. It is situated in the beautiful Ariana Park in Geneva. The United Nations office at Geneva is one of the largest diplomatic conference centers globally. Around 8,000 meetings are organized each year. The United Nations office features flags of all member countries of the United Nations. The flags are organized in English alphabetical order from north to south. On weekends, only the UN flag is raised. Few people were protesting for abnormal people in the front of UN office. We already came to this place at night, but we want to see it at daytime, so we came again. Again we saw many swans which were swimming in this lake. I was feeding chips to the swan. This is a large fountain called Jet de l'Eau located in Lake Geneva near the city's waterfront. It is one of the tallest fountains in the world, shooting water 140 meters into the air. There were many drinking water places where you can drink water. I was also trying to drink like this. The water was very fresh and clean. Now we are going Geneva to Interlaken. The train was coming along with the road. The distance between Geneva to Interlaken is 215 kilometers. And our journey was so beautiful. Finally, we entered to Interlaken city. Our villa is situated near the lake. So let me show you our villa from inside and outside. As you can see, our villa is in very beautiful location. Our villa was traditional villa which was made from wood. So this is our drawing room. And there were 2 dining tables. This is the kitchen. Now let's go to the next floor. This is a bedroom. The balcony. This is the another bedroom of the villa. Here is a very big bathroom with jacuzzi. At the another day, we are going to Lauterbrunnen waterfall. Lauterbrunnen is a valley in Switzerland that is home to 72 waterfalls. There was a viewpoint to go there and see the view of the valley. As you can see, this is a very beautiful place in whole Switzerland. Now we are on the way to see Oeschinensee Lake. There are 2 ways to go up, by ropeway or by hiking. But we choose ropeway because we were running out of the time. It was really outstanding view. It was really memorable view. This is a very good place till now I have seen. So enjoy the view from the ropeway. Now we reach to our destination. And there was another activity to do called Rodelbahn. And we all did it. And it was my first experience to do Rodelbahn. Now we are going to visit Oeschinensee Lake by walk. It takes 25 minutes to reach. Finally we reached to Oeschinen Lake. The Oeschinen Lake was created by a giant landslide and is fed through a series of mountain creeks and drains underground. Oeschinen Lake at an elevation of 1578 meters. It has a surface area of 1.1 square kilometers. Its maximum depth is 56 meters. The Oeschinen Lake is generally frozen during 5 months from December to May. From time to time, ice skating is possible on the ice. Now we are again going down, where we parked our car. Again my favorite view from the ropeway. Now we are again going back to Interlaken city area. Switzerland is known for its stunning green mountains. The lush, vibrant landscapes create a picturesque sense, with meadows dotted by colorful flowers. These green mountains are not only a treat for the eyes but also offer a peaceful and refreshing experience for those exploring this beautiful country. Now we are going to explore the city center of Interlaken. And also going to Chotiwala restaurant in Interlaken because it is pure vegetarian and Indian restaurant. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और मेरी चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।